Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am speed cleaning my house during my lunch break. I'm getting a little bit of a late start because my morning at work was rather busy with lots of meetings. I do work full-time from home. If you are new here, I have a 2-year-old son who does go to a program while I am working. I get a 30-minute lunch break, so I oftentimes take it to get some housework done while I have the house to myself. So I'm starting off here by making my bed, tidying up my bedroom a little bit, and in this video I'll be tidying, putting things away in pretty much every room of the house, and I've got lots of laundry that I'm catching up on. I hope this video gives you lots of homemaking, cleaning motivation, and you leave here feeling like you've been just hanging out with a friend. We're headed into fall, which means back to school, all the sports, and fun fall activities on the weekends. If you're like me, our days, nights, and weekends are rather busy throughout the fall. My husband is a huge football fan, so there's often tons of activities around here revolving around football, which is always so much fun. Lots of time with our friends and family, and one of the seasons we look so forward to. Do you like fall? What is your favorite season? And if it is fall, what do you enjoy most about the fall? Leave a comment down below. I would love to know. I figured I'd add a speed cleaning motivational video in today as I'm posting this on the last day of August, and we're going to be headed into September and this crazy busy season of fall. I figured it would be so helpful for all of you moms out there to implement a speed cleaning routine. Take 30 minutes, or if you have an hour, and get done everything that you can in that time. Oftentimes I like to set a timer so then I know exactly when my 30 minutes is up, and I just run around the house and try to get done as much as I can. Have you tried this before? If not, I highly suggest that you do. You'll probably be so surprised on how much cleaning you're able to accomplish. My son is 2, so I'm sure we're not nearly as busy as you moms who have school-age children. We're not in that season of life yet, but I cannot wait for it. I know it's going to be so crazy and busy, but it is also going to be some of the happiest days of our lives. I know we're going to make tons of memories, and I cannot wait to see my son grow, blossom, all the things that he learns. I hope that he enjoys school, makes some really great friends, and if he's anything like my husband, we are going to be full force into all kinds of different sports. Do you have kids? What ages are your kids, or grades are they in? And what do they like to do? Are they in sports or art and music? What extracurriculars are your children most interested in? Leave a comment down below. I'd love to get to know a little bit more about you as you get to know me as well. I love to leave motivational quotes and things that we talk about in all of these videos. So today I thought I would talk about how great of a mom you are and give you encouragement in your mom journey. Hopefully uplifting you, revitalizing, and knowing how great of a mom that you are. So one saying that I always love is, if today has left you absolutely exhausted from loving little people, you're doing it right. We had my in-laws over for the weekend as we had a family wedding this past weekend. It was so much fun. The weather was absolutely beautiful, but I feel like we used every towel in the house. I had a couple loads of towels to do this day, so the laundry and folding kind of felt like it was never ending. Now I just have a little bit of tidying to do here in the kitchen and the living room. My son had breakfast here at his little table. I've got some dishes in the sink. The counters need to be wiped down. And then the living room just needs a quick tidy. My son did have a little breakfast this morning before he went off to his program. Sometimes he does eat here, sometimes he doesn't, and he just waits and eats at his program. It's so nice that they do breakfast and lunch for him there, so I really don't have to worry about it. But some mornings he wakes up and he's just so hungry that he's like just asking for something. So I will make him something. I don't want to have him leave the house if he's hungry. And they can't have peanut butter, and there's like a bunch of other things on the list that they can't have there. So oftentimes I try to just give him those kinds of foods. So this morning he had toast with peanut butter and a banana, and I think he did have some grapes as well. They aren't really allowed to have grapes there either. So some things we just leave for food he can have at home that he can't have at his school program. A mother feels it all. The joy of watching her babies grow, the tug on her heartstrings with how quickly it passes. She feels exhausted and fulfilled and overwhelmed and grateful. She feels the elation of their triumphs and all the heaviness of their heartbreaks, the hope for tomorrow and the yearn for yesterday. She feels the weight of her mistakes and the warmth of their unconditional love, the pressure to get it right, and the longing to give them her best. Every day, in every way, a mother feels it all. As you move through the busy season, the hustle and bustle of school and all the programs and fun activities, take it all in. Remember, you won't get this day back. Your child won't be this age or this young again. The activities and excitement, what they're learning and doing, won't last forever. Before we know it, these days will be a distant memory. So enjoy every second that you can. If you got some laundry to do, pause this video, go grab your basket, hit play, and let's fold some laundry together. On the hard days, easy days, exhausting days, messy days, beautiful days, overwhelming days, and seemingly perfect days, remember, you were made to be their mom. This dresser and the organization bins that are inside of them are all from IKEA. If you are in the market looking for something like this, it has been so great. We got this before I had my son. It's been all set up pretty much the same. Obviously the clothes have just grown sizes and changed out, but this whole top drawer has been pretty much the same. So here's just a glimpse of how I have it organized if you are looking to set up something similar. Thank you so much for stopping by, taking time out of your day to watch my video. I hope you got lots of homemaking, cleaning, and life motivation from today's video. Know that you are exactly the mom that your kids need. You're doing a great job, and this school season is going to be absolutely amazing. I hope you have an absolutely wonderful fall. If you have not yet, please subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. I have lots of fall content, homemaking, cleaning, motivation coming, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a single video.